So for my question, I did the for my brief question, I did how does free college tuition affect the menial job market? So for my database, I chose college through context. So I'm just gonna go up here, go to C, then college in context, and then for my keywords and my booleans, I'm going to look up free college tuition and menial jobs or low income jobs. So, okay. So this is the article that I chose. It basically talks about whether we're not going to have enough people to work in the lower income jobs, and whether there's going to be an underemployment crisis with the lower income jobs. So I thought it would fit what my question was, and it would definitely go it would go along with my research. So I thought it would be good. And I'm sorry about not speaking eloquently. I'm autistic, so I really struggle with this type of thing. So that's probably why I screwed up so bad the first time. But it was done in 2008. And the editor was William A. Darity, and the author was Esperanza Vera Toscano. Then the references look very. It looks like the references are coming from very high quality magazines, from well known authors. So I believe that they like the Manchester School of Economics and Social Studies. That's a school, a university, so it's got to be something good. And then American Sociology Review, that is really, they would only take an article like that would be really good. So the information he's pulling from is really, really high quality information. I'm sorry, I'm calling Esperanza as he is the information that she is pulling from. So she's pulling information from very high quality sources, which leads me to believe that the article itself is very high quality. I didn't feel like there was any bias in this. I don't know, she trying to, I guess she was against the free tuition, because she believes there needs to be more work for the menial workforce, but it really didn't go into that as much. It was more about the lower income work than about free tuition and stuff. So this would be one part of a lot of research, not like, one and done kind of research, Okay, and then Now we will go to our Google. Our Google. Then oops, sorry. Book I wrote. Okay. Sorry, I'm nervous and I'm mistyping. Yeah, there we go. Okay, it figured it out for me. This is the one I was looking at. So this is what, and this is the CNBC. I felt that this would be a very good article to choose because, no, it is a news station, but then again, these days you can't really trust much on that, can you? So, yeah, sorry, just an opinion. I could be wrong. Sorry, just, so, anyway, and then, okay, date of publication is published November 8th, 2019, 10 a.m. Very, very exact. Author is Sylvain Kelechi, and hold on, let me check the bottom too. I want to make sure. Co-founder of Halberton School. That's her. So she would have to be pretty quality. She would have to be a pretty like, you know, a pretty knowledgeable person to have to work to be in charge of a school. So and her bias is that, well, I don't know if you call bias, but her opinion is that we should be providing free college education to everybody because it will help us streamline all the jobs and it will be better for everybody. And I chose this article because I kind of agree with it. I believe free college is actually really something that should be offered. I don't know, it could be because I'm German, but I think college should be free. So, sorry, I'm looking through the okay, well,